Welcome to the part 2 of Company Law Explained. In this part, we will discuss the characteristics of a company. A company is a voluntary organization formed by an individual or a group of individuals for a common objective. It's an artificial person created by law and considered as a legal person in the eyes of laws. Thus, a company is capable of engaging in various legal activities. Case of Union Bank of India versus Khadir International Constructions AIR 2001. The Honorable Supreme Court held that the term person, as mentioned in Order 33 Rule Number 1 of the CPC 1908, includes any company. The company is considered as a legal person, but it's not a citizen. However, certain fundamental rights of Constitution of India, such as right to equality, Article 14, is also applicable to companies. It is a separate legal entity because, well, it is incorporated under the Companies Act 2013. It is treated as a distinct person independent from its members or shareholders. In the case of Salomon versus Salomon and Company Limited, 1897, the Honorable Court held that the members are not personally liable for the company's actions. A company has a limited liability, which provides its shareholder a shield from the company's debts and obligations. The limited liability is of two forms: the company limited by the guarantee, where the liability of company is to the money guaranteed in the memorandum of association. Second, the company limited by the shares, where the liability of the company is to that extent of money which is unpaid, which they hold on the shares. A company has a unique characteristic of perpetual succession. Perpetual succession means a company's existence is not influenced by the death, departure, or insolvency of its members or shareholders. It is considered as a company's life is not tied to the life of its owners. The other characteristics of company is mentioned in the description box.